Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video of the Prestige unboxing. So I actually got the C3 as well as the A3 heads. Let's be really quick. What comes in the box? It comes double box, which is really nice. Here are the two toothbrush heads. Let me see. Oh, this is like tamper sealed. So, yeah, give me a second to open that. I'll show you what this looks like at least. So these come like in these little baggies. I got the black version. And the A3s, I also got the black version. So you can see that's what it looks like. And then let me see, how do I actually open this without... Okay. So, oh, the box is backwards. Oh. Huh. This box is also backwards. Okay, actually, you get 3 heads, I guess. So this is just a courtesy by Costco. So this by itself comes with 1 head. And here's a little toothbrush. Yeah, it looks exactly like the Diamond Clean that I already have. And then, let's see. Here's a little case. This is like fake leather. It's kind of hard, not even soft. So basically, I think this thing lives in here, and then the toothbrush goes about that. So then they give you like 1 USB-A to C cable. This is the little hockey puck where your toothbrush lives. And this is the wireless charger, so it'll be like this in your bathroom. But they don't include the charging brick. So, oh, actually they do. I didn't actually notice that. So you actually have everything you need to charge. So just plug into like your bathroom outlet like this, and then it's nice. I actually thought that this thing was just like 1 extra included, but it's you actually get 3, so that's really nice.